Good day, all. Welcome back. Mr. Shea Poulet with Shea Poulet Homestead. We are outside. I want to get some eggs because it's late. It's like 9:30. So we're not going to let them outside. But the hens are warm. It's been plus 30, so you can see she's all squatted down. So let's get some eggs up in this top corner. There's always a million mosquitoes and a bunch of eggs. So grab 2 whites, 4 whites, 5 whites and a brown, so that's 6. There's always one up on this top shelf. I didn't even come in here today, so this is the first time. So I just know where the eggs usually are. Alright, so normally there's no more eggs up on this shelf at all. So they usually don't lay anymore. I'll turn the light on so we can make sure. Sometimes there's some in that corner. Now, a couple eggs there, so the broody hen's not broody anymore. So we got a little silky egg with a Americana egg. There's the ducks, meat chickens hanging out. Good sized chickens. So in here we got a few more eggs. Now, if I didn't have so many boxes, obviously they wouldn't have so many different options to lay. I could block off certain spots if I want, but I really don't care where they lay. Now, let's see. Nothing up here. Might be 1 or 2 right in this corner. Oh, you're laying on them, I can tell. Now, let's see. Hello, my friend. Let's see. You're so warm and stuff, but unfortunately, you can't keep them. So she has 4. I know, sorry. So this is just one day. Nice big drama. And I always check my feeders. I'm surprised there's none down on the ground. Usually there's some down. Oh, my light come on. I haven't never got that light working properly. So we're still good for about 3 more days of feed there. So that's good. Now we'll take a peek at the meat birds real quick. We only had a couple. They want to go outside so bad, but it's too late now. Alright, so let's get a count real quick. Easier said than done. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 eggs, I believe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. I think 19 eggs for one day. I noticed last night I had a bonfire and burnt all the side of my plant. Just got too hot, didn't literally burn it, but just way too warm. I could have moved it away, but I anchored it with a big bar to the ground so it wouldn't fall over. This one's doing nice though. This one's just, I don't know. It's a mixture of overwatered at first, and she's finally just starting to come out of it, so looks a lot smaller than the other ones, but my ducks and my meat birds. So we got 2 roosters here and 1 hen there. And we got 1 rooster there. So that's all we got left for meat birds. And in here for food, we got a little less than what they have over at the meat birds, or at the hens. That's a big bird, holy smokes. Eat some more. It's good chicken. All right, y'all. That's it. Have a good one.